Good morning, all of you. Audio, video clear? Just check. Yes. So welcome all to this new series we are starting, where we are discussing the latest CSIR-NET questions of all subjects. Each day we will be taking one subject each. आज हम मैथमेटिकल साइंस क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस कर रहा है. लाइफ साइंस, फिजिकल साइंस, केमिकल साइंस, अर्थ साइंस, all streams will be discussed and all sessions are useful for all subjects. मैथमेटिकल साइंस का पेपर मैथमेटिकल साइंस के लिए ही नहीं, बाकी सारा स्ट्रीम्स के लिए. These are practice material for the upcoming exam. So make sure that all of your friends are invited to the series. Let more people join. Share this link to all of your friends, as it is a first lecture of the series. I will wait for 1 minute. By that time, please share it among your WhatsApp group, Telegram groups, or your friends who want to attend this, or your WhatsApp status and other social media handles. Support this initiative. This is a day, like a ritual we are doing for the last 4-5 years. हर एग्जाम के बाद वो एग्जाम का हर सब्जेक्ट का क्वेश्चंस हम डिस्कस करता है ये यूट्यूब चैनल पे ही. So let more people know about this. Please let your friends know about this session. Nahid, we will be discussing earth science also in another day, maybe 2-3 days later. So subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the future updates. Upcoming days में more questions or more subjects का questions भी discuss करेगा. As you know, CSIR-NET Aptitude is common for all streams, whether you are life science or mathematical science or physical science or chemical science or earth science. सारा सब्जेक्ट के लिए एप्टीट्यूड पार्ट कॉमन है. सिलेबस, टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन सब सेम है. मतलब द बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस मटेरियल फॉर यू इज प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस ऑफ एप्टीट्यूड ऑफ ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स. Download all subjects aptitude papers and start practicing, those of you are preparing for upcoming exam. Audio, video clear na? No, Bashir, I think the audio is clear because I was checking in my phone also. Okay, so for the new people, my name is Christy Varghese. More about me you can see here. This is the book I have written for General Aptitude, which is currently the bestseller book for aptitude preparation. Those of you who have seen this book already are familiar with this book and me, I guess. Amazon और Flipkart दोनों में ये book available है. Current bestseller book for CSIR-NET General Aptitude preparation. These are the other books I have written. And by the time more people join, invite all of your friends. By that time, I will just let all of you know about the new complete course we are starting from September 9th onwards. The first batch of the complete course live batch is starting on September 9th. We are planning to start new batches in October also, but this is the best time to start because September, if you join, you can finish the topics much earlier than the exam date. So this is the live batch we are starting for December 2024 NET exam. So more details of this course I will tell you. Yes, course सारा streams के लिए common है, whether you are life science, physical science, mathematical science, chemical science or earth science. And ये course का साथ free online study materials available है. 1000 rupees वाला free online study materials. Study materials include flashcards, topic wise PDF, practice worksheets and mock test with bonus video solutions. और course का language English और Hindi mix होगा, so that a person who understand English only also can understand, a person who understand Hindi only also ये course useful होगा. So and ये course में 66 live lectures होगा, 100 hours का video और lectures होगा, उसका recording भी available होगा और class notes and practice worksheets after each class you can access. And free demo videos available hai in case you want to check out the quality of the course, and online mock tests with video solutions are provided as part of bonus materials. More features of the courses, complete theory इसमें discuss करेगा, topic wise previous year questions. हाँ, आज हम June 2024 का the idea of today's class is 1 hour is the timing of this class. 1 आवर में जितना क्वेश्चंस कर सकता है उतना क्वेश्चंस हम करेगा, बट ऑल क्वेश्चन का डिस्कशन चाहिए तो यू कैन ज्वाइन दिस कोर्स इन टॉपिक बाय टॉपिक itself we will be discussing all questions of June 2024 also and last दिसंबर 2012 से 24 तक 13 इयर्स का क्वेश्चन पेपर का एनालिसिस होगा ये कोर्स में। तो डेडिकेटेड सेशंस फॉर एग्जाम हैक, शॉर्टकट मेथड, स्पीड मैथ्स भी होगा। दैट मींस 3 सेशंस वेयर आई टीच यू shortcut methods, speed math tricks, tips and tricks etc. And ये course other exams के लिए भी helpful होगा like GATE, SET, PhD, entrance exams etc. And why this course is better than any other course or this is the best course for CSIR-NET, that is I have listed here. Whether your background is mathematical or non-mathematical, whether you fear that you have forgotten many formula from school, that does not matter. क्योंकि we will be having an unlearning and relearning process all throughout this course. आपका by hearted formula को कैसा logically understand करना है so that will help you to solve questions, because many people lack problem solving skills. आपका problem solving skills develop करना, that is a main objective of this course. The time management is also another issue, that also will be trained how to manage time in exam hall. And as I told, this is a most updated course. I am teaching General Aptitude exclusively for the last 10 years. So I am getting updated. And each of the course, when we launch a new course, that is, we make sure that it is the most updated course. And इसमें 15 unique shortcut methods explain करेगा by which you can solve questions in minimum time. और ये कोर्स अटेंड कर रहा है तो यू डोंट हैव टू रेफर एनी अदर मटेरियल, ऑल द मटेरियल्स यू नीड फॉर जनरल एप्टीट्यूड इज पार्ट ऑफ दिस कोर्स इटसेल्फ। एंड इसमें स्पीड मैथ्स भी इंक्लूडेड है एज आई टोल्ड, एंड वी हैव डेवलप 100 यूनिक फ्लैश कार्ड्स। वो फ्लैश कार्ड्स यूज करके ही हम टीच करेगा थियरी, सो दैट एग्जाम के पहले जस्ट लुकिंग एट द फ्लैश कार्ड यू कैन रिवाइज ऑल द कॉन्सेप्ट्स। और कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव एंड अपडेटेड स्टडी मटेरियल्स होगा। एंड दिस कोर्स last 10 years में more than 2 lakh aspirants were joining or were part of this course and getting benefited by this course, because in this platform and in other platforms I was teaching for the last 10 years for general aptitude section. So आपका एग्जाम तक कंटिन्यूअस सपोर्ट के लिए व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप एंड टेलीग्राम ग्रुप्स भी है। दैट मीन्स फॉर योर डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप एंड टेलीग्राम ग्रुप इज देयर। एंड डाउट क्लियरेंस के लिए हर 9 लेक्चर्स के बाद एक डेडिकेटेड डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन भी होगा। Each class also you can ask your doubts through the raise hand feature, where you can use the chat or audio to clear your doubts. Live classes will be finished by December 15, so that it is before your net exam itself, the course is getting over. लेकिन वो live class का recording आपको subscription period तक accessible होगा। course सब देख सकता है, there is no limit in how many times you can watch it. 60 लाइव लेक्चर्स होगा और 6 डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन होगा। इफ यू वांट टू सी द फुल शेड्यूल ऑफ द कोर्स, पॉज द वीडियो एंड सी दिस इज द फुल शेड्यूल ऑफ द कोर्स। All topics of CSIR-NET General Aptitude will be covered in a more comprehensive fashion. और इसका pricing, this is the price for the 6-month, 1 year and 2 year subscription, and we are giving us, it is the launch offer, we are giving 50% discount on the course, and now till this September 10th, extra 500 rupee discount will be provided, as it is Teachers Day last day. We are providing as part of Teachers Day. There is a 25% extra discount, and this will be the final price for the 6-month, 1 year or 2 year subscription. This is the price including everything: live classes, recorded videos, study materials, doubt clearance, live doubt clearing session, bonus mock test content, and also telegram group and WhatsApp group access. And these are the testimonials of the students who have attended the course last few years. So that's it. That is the introduction about the course. Those of you want to join the course are welcome to join the course. ये course mobile app में भी available है, website में भी available है, laptop mobile दोनों में access कर सकता है। So the complete details of the course I have given. If you have any doubts, you can contact us at the number 8075116641. This is the contact number. More details if you want, check the description of this video. I have given the link of the course also there, and you can comment on the video also if you have any queries regarding this course. Okay, so आज का टॉपिक शुरू कर रहा है. I think more people have joined. Make sure all of you have invited your friends. And in case you want to be part of our other free resources, these are our free resources we provide through the website christysclasses.in and christyvarghese.in. We are providing free study materials. Telegram channel है, WhatsApp group है, mobile application भी है. Check the description of the video to access all these free resources. And other courses are also there in our platform. Those of you are preparing for GATE exam, the new batch of GATE General Aptitude courses starting on September 9th. Those of you want to join can join for GATE General Aptitude course also. And as part of Teachers Day discount, this course also is available at the minimum price. So Teachers Day discount is available only till September 10th. So make use of this offer to be part of our CSIR-NET course also, GATE course also. Okay, so let us start. So today we are discussing June 2024 question paper of mathematical science. Let us start with this question. All of you try this question. One by one we will discuss questions. 1 hour duration we will try to complete as much questions as possible. टू मिनट्स देगा हर क्वेश्चन के लिए. 2 minutes ट्राई करिए क्वेश्चंस एंड ट्राई मेंशन द आंसर इन द चैट. Yes, Ranjit, this course is this lecture is useful for GATE exam also because this is like practice material for GATE exam preparation. Any answers? Okay, some of you got an answer. Yogendra, one suggestion is you can join our course. Definitely aptitude and math will become much more interesting than you thought. Secondly, what I can suggest you is, yeah, first you have to change the rote learning approach of doing math and aptitude. That is the main thing. वो change किया तो ही aptitude will become much interesting and much easy to do. So some of you got an answer. So I will explain. All of you tried? I'll give one more minute. Let all people complete trying. Okay, I'll start explaining. So this question says that a group of 540 persons is to be seated row wise such that the number of persons in each row is 4 less than in the previous row. 4 less than in the previous row means first row में x people है, तो first row में x people है, मतलब उसका next row में x plus 4 people होना चाहिए, so that x plus 4 से 4 कम है ना x. या previous के बारे में बता रहा है, but it is easy to start from the first. That is why I am taking let x be the first. So next will be x plus 4, x plus 4. Then next will be x plus 4 plus 4, x plus 8 होगा ना, x plus 4 plus 4. Next will be x plus 8 plus 4, x plus 12. Then x plus 16, x plus 20. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. Now question is asking which is the number of rows, which of the following number of rows is not possible. So इसको mathematically represent किया, तो this is called an arithmetic progression. X plus 4, x plus 8, x plus 12, etc. means 4 common difference wala arithmetic progression hai. We have discussed about arithmetic progression many times. This is the flashcard where I have summarized what is arithmetic progression and what is the formula related to it. So this is one of the 100 flashcards we are giving as part of our course. So arithmetic progression है ये. Then which of the following is not possible? Number of rows not possible means option by option analyze करिए. Elimination method use किया तो थोड़ा clarity मिलेगा question का. So option A 5. 5 means number of rows 5 is possible or not. Number of rows 5 means row 1 to row 5. Row 1 to row 5 total number of people कितना होगा? Total number of persons, how much it is? X plus 4 plus x plus 8 plus x plus 12 plus x plus 16. Na? That means x added 5x. 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16. 4, 8, 12, 12, 24 plus 16, 40. 5x plus 40. If option A is the answer, 5x plus 40 will be the number of people. Total people का number 5x plus 40 होगा. तो 5x plus 40, 540 को satisfy करना है ना, because question says the total number of people is 540. So 5x plus 40 is equal to 540. Does that make a contradiction? Contradiction means let us simplify it and see what will be the value of x. X का value एक natural number होना चाहिए, that is the idea. So 5x equal to 500 होगा if you solve it. So x is equal to 100. That means first row में 100, second row में 104, third row में 108, fourth row में 12, 112 and then 116 etc. This is totally possible na. So option A answer nahi hoga because not possible is asked. Is it clear to all of you? Please respond. Yes, Amisha, this is the questions which was asked in the last exam mathematical science paper, but this is not for mathematical science students only. This is for life science, physical science, chemical science, earth science, all science streams, mathematical science, all science streams. तो सारा स्ट्रीम्स के लिए एप्टीट्यूड पेपर कॉमन है. टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इज सेम. दिस इज प्रैक्टिस मटेरियल फॉर ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स. ऑल क्लियर? And Amisha, regular means there will be 5 lectures as part of the series. So subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be updated whenever the lecture is live. Today class होगा, tomorrow का class का timing different होगा. So in the description of the video also you can get our social media handles link. By that you can join for it and get updated. Okay, so option A Q answer nahi hai. All of you understood na? Please respond. Now do the same for option B. Option B 6. इफ इट इज 6 rows मीन्स रो 5 के बाद रो 6 भी इंक्लूड करना है, मतलब ये 5x plus 40 के साथ एक x plus 20 भी ऐड करना है, दैट इज 6x plus 60. 6x plus 60 is equal to 540. So 6x क्या होगा? Again, after a point of time you realize that when you see this itself, this is possible. I will explain that little bit more. Before that, if you solve it, x is equal to 60, 80 मिलेगा. x 80 है तो 84, 88, 88, 92, 96 etc. Totally possible. So this is also not the answer. So you understood that ये 540 से ये वाला वैल्यू सब्ट्रैक्ट करने वक्त इसका मल्टीपल, ये 6 का मल्टीपल होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे 5 का मल्टीपल. So now actually you can solve it faster. Row 7, row 8 है तो option C says 8 rows. Row 7 means x plus 20 plus 4, x plus 24, and row 8 is x plus 24 plus 4, x plus 28. That means 6x plus 60 already there, plus x means 8x, plus 24 plus 28. 24 plus 28 क्या है? 52. तो 52 ऐड किया तो 52 plus 60 112 मिलेगा. 112 मिलेगा. 112 is equal to 540 means 8x is equal to 540 minus 112. 540 minus 112 is 428. Whether 428 is a multiple of 8 or not. 400 is a multiple of 8. So 400 plus, one second, did I make a mistake in the calculation? Just a minute. 540, 530. Yeah, correct only, na? 112. So 428. So 8x is equal to 428 means 428 is not a multiple of 8. So option C is not possible because x is equal to 428 by 8 hoga na. If you cancel it, you can see that 5 and then 28. 28, if it is 24, it is 3. Then 53 and half milega if you simplify. Number of persons half quarter ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है ना. Are you understanding? So option C is the answer, which is not possible. Not possible. Let me just check if all the calculations are correct. 6x plus 60 के साथ 24, 28. Yeah. If you want, you can check option D, but that is not necessary at all. But for practice, let us do that. 9x plus 112 के साथ अभी क्या ऐड करना है? 28 plus 4, 32. 32 ऐड किया तो 112 plus 32 is 144 is equal to 540. So 9x equal to 540 minus 144, that is 396. Yeah, 396 9 का मल्टीपल है. टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी वाला आइडिया यूज करना काफी है. I hope all of you remember this test of divisibility idea and all. Yeah, some of the basic idea you learned in school is very important. LCM, HCF, test of divisibility, classification of numbers में क्या क्या numbers है, what is a prime number, how to identify prime numbers, these kinds of things are very important. So if you know that, you can do the questions super fast. Asad, you can do that also, but subtraction can look more clumsy. That is why I have took addition. You have done the reverse of it. That way, if you do also, you will get the same answer itself. Okay, anyway, 396, sum of digits. Yeah, test of divisibility idea means, yeah, in this flashcard, I have summarized this idea. All concepts you want to learn, we have summarized in the flashcard. So in the class, I will be explaining with the flashcard so that you will be able to recollect all these things just by looking at the flashcards. I am saying about the complete course we are starting from September 9th. So sum of digits multiple of 9, number multiple of 9, ये idea सबको clear है, I guess. So 396 is a multiple of 9. So option D answer नहीं होगा. All of you clear? Why option C is the only possible answer? Because option C answer है तो x का value natural number नहीं मिलेगा. You will get a fraction. So this was one very good question asked in June 2024. Now one thing, if you don't want to manually add like this, you can use this formula of arithmetic progression also. Sum of n terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. वो idea भी use कर सकता है, but मैन्युअली एडिंग, इफ योर मेंटल मैथ स्किल्स आर गुड, मैन्युअली ऐड करना बेटर होगा, फास्टर होगा. इसका more mathematical solutions भी है, but this is the more understandable solution. So for the time being, we will go with this method itself. In our complete course, we will discuss about multiple methods because some people prefer mathematical approaches in some questions because they can solve it faster. So I'll show you, yeah, these all are very good question. Try this question also. Ranking and ordering वाला question है. Try करिए, 2 minutes देगा, all of you try. Any answers? Understanding the meaning of the question properly is very important here. Okay, little tricky question, so I'll explain it carefully. Listen to this. This kind of question was asked earlier also in many subject papers. So in a class, among the ranking and ordering, there are two types of question mainly. One is sequential ordering question. Second is position test question. This question is a position test question. Position test question में कुछ question में ये formula help करेगा, but ये question में formula से भी the logic is more important. I will explain. Among the boys, B is taller than among the boys. So boys wala एक group, girls wala एक group. First, we have to separately analyze it. Among the boys, B is taller than 10 boys. So there is a particular boy named B. Taller than 10 boys means visualize kariye. Visual method you have to use here. B is taller than 10 boys means below B there are 10 people. But shorter than 13 others means 13 other boys. That's a meaning. So B is shorter than 13 people. मतलब total boys का number बताइए. Total boys का number बताइए. So 13 plus 10, 23 plus 1. 13 people before B and 1 second. Just a minute, there is some technical issue. एक और बार ड्रॉ करेगा. A minute. So now I will explain. So boys and girls, two group of people. Some issue with the pen tab. Just a minute. Boys one group, girls another group. In this boys, first question says that B is taller than 10 boys. So below B there are 10 people, above B 13 people. So boys ka number kitna hoga? 13 people before B, 10 people after B. So 13 plus 10, 23 people, and B is another person. So 23 plus 1, 24 boys are there. We understood that. Among girls, G is taller than 6 girls. G is taller than 6 girls means below G there are 6 girls, 6 people. But shorter than 8 others, matlab 8 people above G. So girls ka number kitna hai? 8 plus 6, 14 plus G, 15 girls are there. Boys ka number, girls ka number total mila. So total people ka number we will understand. Now total boys and girls together, how many? 24 plus 15, 39. First of all, let us check options. Which option is saying this? Before going to the next sentence itself, let us check whether options are aligned with this or not. Among the entire class, matlab boys and girls milake, among the entire class total 39 people are there. This should not be contradicted. That is the first thing. B is taller than 21 and shorter than 18 means 21 people, 18 people and B included. Total kitna people ho gaya? 21 plus 18. 21 plus 18, 39 plus B. 40 people are there in option A. So that is readily eliminated because you already know 39 people only are there. Similarly, second option, 20 people, 18 people, 38 plus B included 39. That is okay. That does not guarantee that is the answer. You have to check each option. 20, 19, 39 plus 1, 40 people again. So option C be eliminate hua na? Are you getting? Option D, 19, 19 plus 1, 39. Unfortunately, one more 39 is there. So you cannot finish the question. Now it is like in Kaun Banega Crorepati, you have taken a lifeline 50-50. Abhi baki 50-50, baki option mein you cannot just randomly choose. Some people use random selection method, but that is not a right method at all. Properly, logically answer करना है क्योंकि 50-50 में if you take or two option में one option randomly select किया तो 50% chance है गलत होने का. We cannot take a 50% chance to get a negative mark because negative half mark you are getting if you are taking that chance. So let us learn properly what to do next. If fortunately if this option was saying some 38 total, that was eliminated and option B was the answer. But and why I analyze this option like this, because you get more perspective when you look at options. When you practice, you can check each options. Okay, now एक और clue दिया है. वो clue क्या है? Total number of people के बारे में एक और clue दिया है. 2 boys and 3 girls are shorter than B, but taller than G. 2 boys and 3 girls are shorter than B. So, if you consider B, 2 boys and 3 girls. So, above B, okay. You have to read the sentence fully. 2 boys and 3 girls are shorter than B, but taller than G. Together read करना है, नहीं है तो confusion होगा. 2 boys and 3 girls are shorter than B, but taller than G means B और G के बीच में कितना people है? That is the meaning of it. That if you don't properly read it, you can get confused. B और G के बीच में 2 boys and 3 girls are there. 2 boys and 3 girls are there. मतलब 5 people are there. 5 people are there, boys and girls together. Because question says shorter than B, that means they are below B, but taller than G. मतलब वो 5 people G से भी taller है. वो 5 people G से भी taller है. So this is the picture. Now look at it. We know that B के पहले 13 boys है. वो डायग्राम अभी इस पे इंटीग्रेट कर सकता है. वो डायग्राम इंटीग्रेट किया तो B के पहले वाला 13 people ड्रॉ किया यहाँ. अभी G के बिलो 6 people है, वो यहाँ इंटीग्रेट कर सकता है. Look at it. It's a very satisfying process in my opinion if you properly do it. B और G के बीच में कौन है? We already understood now. B के पहले कितना पीपल है, B के बाद कितना पीपल है वो हमें पता है, बट B के बाद ये 10 पीपल में से okay, 1 second. Yeah, 10 people, only boys are there. But total कितना people है B के बाद? That we understand here actually. Because B के बाद 5 people, उसके बाद G है, उसके बाद 6 girls are there. Okay, this is 6 girls. 1 second. You have to do one more thing. Okay, now look at it. G के पहले 8 people totally are there ना, girls. वो गर्ल्स में से 3 गर्ल्स ऑलरेडी आर हियर, बाकी कितना गर्ल्स? ये 13 बॉयज है, रिप्रेजेंट 13 as 13 बॉयज. 3 गर्ल्स है जी के पहले, दैट इज बिटवीन बी एंड जी, मतलब बिफोर बी बाकी गर्ल्स होना चाहिए ना. टोटल जी के पहले 8 गर्ल्स है, उसमें से 3 गर्ल्स बी एंड जी के बीच में है, तो बाकी 5 गर्ल्स बी के पहले होना चाहिए ना. दिस इज द लॉजिक. So 13 boys, 5 girls. अभी options देखिए. Shorter than 18 others. B is shorter than 18 others. That is perfectly correct. 13 plus 5 18 है ना. 13 plus 5 18. So लेकिन यहाँ पे shorter than 19 others है. So ये option eliminated है. Now you don't have to do further because already we eliminated 2 options. Now one more option eliminated, so option B. But for your further understanding or further learning of this topic, I will show you how you can conclude that it is perfectly 20 itself. Look at it. Because G के बाद 6 girls है. This 6 is actually 6 girls. So boys कितना है? हमें पता है B के बाद boys का number. After B there are 10 boys. And 2 of those boys are between B and G. So बाकी 8 boys आफ्टर G होना चाहिए. G means the girl G. 6 this sorry boys, 2 boys and 8 boys together will make this 10 boys. Complicated it is, but I will try to simplify as much as possible. Time is a constraint here. 1 hour we have to complete as many questions as possible. So anyway, look at it. Now look at it. B के below कितना people है, that is what we need to know. 5 people. So 5 people here. Yeah, actually this step can be avoided. I'll tell you how you can avoid this step, and directly when you get this 18 itself you can finish the question without options also. How? 18 people before B ना, total 39 people है, उसमें से 18 people before B and B भी एक person है ना, तो ये 18 और 1 person B को subtract किया तो बाकी persons हो गए ना आफ्टर B वाला. आफ्टर B वाला people को फाइंड करने के लिए बिफोर B वाला persons और B ये दोनों people को subtract करना काफी है. That is 39 minus 19, 20 people. That is enough. This process will take more time. That is why this will be easy. So taller than 20 people. B is taller than 20 means below B 20 people are there. Tough question, but this is the explanation. How many of you understood it? Can you please mention? Mubashir, thank you so much for the good words. Thank you so much, Amisha, for the good words. So I will summarize once more what I have written. Again, time is the biggest constraint. In our complete course, time constraint will be minimal because we are taking 100 hours on CSIR-NET General Aptitude alone and doubt clearing session. And in live class itself, you can turn on your audio and ask your doubts. So those of you who want to be part of our complete course, join today because day after tomorrow, the live course is starting. After that also you can join, but you are missing live classes of each day. So join it before the course starts so that you don't miss any of the live classes. So मैं एक और बार summarize कर रहा हूँ. First, B is taller than 10 boys and shorter than 13 boys means B के पहले 13 boys है और 10 B के बाद 10 boys है. तो boys का group में total number find कर सकता है by using this 13 plus 10 plus 1. 13 before, 10 after and B together total 24 boys हो गया. Similarly, girls का number. G is a girl who is taller than 6 girls. मतलब G के बाद 6 persons है, 6 girls है. G के पहले 8 girls है, shorter than 8 others. मतलब 8 plus 6 plus 1, total 15 girls are there. Total 15 girls are there. Total 15 girls are there. So 24 boys and 15 girls together, total 39 people. ये satisfy करने वाला ऑप्शन सिर्फ दो है, बी एंड डी. लेकिन वो दो ऑप्शन में से कौन सा ऑप्शन सही है? टू फाइंड इट यू हैव टू रीड फर्दर. अगला क्लू, दिस इज लाइक अ इन्वेस्टिगेशन, और you are a detective, you can think like Sherlock Holmes or James Bond. So now you are investigating total बी के पहले कितना पीपल था, बी के बाद कितना पीपल है. दैट इज व्हाट ईच ऑप्शन इज सेइंग. टॉलर देन 20 मींस बी के बाद 20 पीपल है. शॉर्टर देन 18 मींस बी के पहले 18 पीपल है. तो बी के पहले कितना पीपल था, गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज टुगेदर. गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज टुगेदर. बी के पहले बॉयज तो 13 है, लेकिन बी के पहले कितना गर्ल्स था वो डेटा चाहिए ना आंसर फाइंड करने के लिए. बी के पहले कितना गर्ल्स है, हाउ मेनी गर्ल्स आर बिटवीन बिफोर B, that information is needed. That information is needed. So that information you can get from the next sentence. 2 boys and 3 girls are shorter than B, but taller than G. That means this 2 plus 3, this is 2 boys and 3 girls, means this 2 plus 3, 5 people are below B and above G. That is a meaning. Yeah, if you stop reading till here, you can get totally confused. Read the full sentence without a break. That is what I will say. 2 boys and 3 girls are shorter than B but taller than G. मतलब वो G के above है, B के below है. ये 2 boys and 3 girls. मतलब 5 people are between B and G. 5 people are between B and G. 5 people are between B and G. उसमें से 2 boys and 3 girls है. ये देखिए, एक और बार ये इंफॉर्मेशन चेक करिए. जी के पहले 8 गर्ल्स है. जी के पहले 8 गर्ल्स है. उसमें से 3 गर्ल्स आर बिटवीन बी एंड जी. बी और जी के बिटवीन है 3 गर्ल्स. तो 8 से 3 गया, तो फ्रॉम 8 इफ यू सब्ट्रैक्ट 3, रिमेनिंग 5 गर्ल्स शुड बी बिफोर बी ना, बिफोर बी. तो बिफोर बी कितना गर्ल्स है, दैट वी डिडंट न्यू अर्लियर. नाउ यू नो दैट. So 5 girls. So 13 boys plus 5 girls, total 18 people are there. 18 people before B. So shorter than 18 others. That's the answer. Viramani, we are trying to mix both the languages. Priyanka, complete course ka timing 10 a.m. hoga. The same time you are attending this live lecture, same timing is the live course timing of the complete course also. Check the description of the video. You can find the link and there you can find all details. Or in our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel, we have given an all explained video. The explanation of all features of the course and how the course is scheduled, how it is, how to pay, everything is mentioned there. So try the next question. ये probability वाला question है. हाँ, ये question paper was comparatively tougher compared to 2023 papers also. This question paper was little more tougher. But कुछ questions were easy also. So try this, all of you. Because of your understanding, or those of you feel that this session or this initiative is good, do let us know in the comment section. And stay tuned for more such free classes. Tomorrow free class will be there. Timing we haven't fixed. Most probably it will be afternoon timing tomorrow. Hitting the bell icon whenever the class goes live, you will be updated. This is a concept we have discussed many times in the previous classes also, but they have asked it a little different way, that's all. So due to lack of time, I will start explaining. The length of bristlemouth fish is uniformly distributed between 2 and 4 inches. So if this is the 2 and 4 inches, if this is 2 inches and this is 4 inches, middle there will be a 3 inch, exact middle. So if a fisherman randomly catches 5 bristlemouth fishes, what is the probability that at least means kam se kam one of them will be 3 inches or longer? 3 inches means exact middle of 2 and 4 na. मतलब basic probability का idea ये है, this and this are half ना. So probability का basic definition क्या है? Required outcome by total outcome. तो total ये दो half से, तो ये half में होने का chances क्या है? ये हाफ में होने का चांस आधा होगा ना, because that is 1 out of 2 outcomes. That means one time probability that a randomly catched fish, probability that a fish is above 3 inch or longer, above 3 inches, 1 by 2. So what is the probability that a fish length is below 3 inch or below 3 inch? This is 3 or above. Below 3 inch क्या होगा? Complement probability का idea. Probability of A complement is 1 minus probability of A. That means 1 minus half होगा, so half होगा. I'm writing this step just to make you understand. You can just look at it and say, ये आधा है तो बाकी आधा, that's all. So now why we need this, I will tell you. ये देखिए 5 fishes के बारे में practically सोचो. You are catching 5 fishes. So 5 fish का length, maybe all of them are 4 inch or 3 or above 3, or maybe 4 of them are 3 or above, or 2 of them are 3 or above. That means you can list it out. Total possibilities possible are none of them are 3 inches or longer, none of them are above 3, none above 3, 1 above 3, 1 fish above 3, 2 fish above 3 inch, 3 fish above 3 inch, 4 fish above 3 inch. Total 5 fishes are quoted. All 5 fish above 3 inch. These all are possible, na? These all are possible. So at least one of them 3 or above fish above 3 means, at least one means kam se kam. That means 1 also is fine, 2 also is fine, 3 also is fine, 4 also is fine, 5 also is fine. All these are fine. So separately finding probabilities of this, that is one approach, but very time consuming. Don't do that. क्योंकि इसका probability, इसका probability, इसका probability, इसका probability separately find करने के लिए that will take too much time. Yeah, उसके लिए if you want you can use binomial probability theorem, but that is also time consuming. Why waste your time on this binomial probability and all, where you can directly find it? How? Because ये 5 चीजें चाहिए. This is the only thing we don't need. In life also, if you want to know exactly what you need in your life, you have to remove what is not needed in your life. I'm telling some philosophy. By that philosophy, you can understand this concept. From the total probability 1, because you should know that total probability of all sample spaces, all elements in sample space together will be 1. So 1 से none greater than 3 वाला probability कम किया तो बाकी का probability मिलेगा. The only thing we don't need is the fish height. No fish height is greater than 3. All other thing we need, na, at least one of them is greater than 3 is mentioned. That means what we don't need, subtract it from total probability. This is called complement approach. So 1 minus probability of none of them greater than 3. 1 fish greater than 3 is half. Second fish greater than 3 is also half. Third also half. Fourth also half. Fifth also half. Fundamental principle of counting, that is another idea we learn in permutation combination chapter. One thing can be done in M ways, another in N ways, another in P ways, another in Q ways, another in R ways. Means all 5 of them means half into half into half into half into half ways are there. That means 1 minus 1 by 32. 1 minus 1 by 32. That is 32 minus 1, 31 by 32. All of you understood this much? Please respond. 31 by 32 तक clear है? Now 31 by 32 calculate करना है because options are in decimal values. As it is informed, this time all subject students got virtual calculator. So 31 by 32 virtual calculator में करना भी काफी है. And you will get 0.97 approximately or 0.96875. Option D. Actually, exactly finding it is not needed. I will be teaching you Mendel math where you can skip using virtual calculator for this step and eliminate options and directly get it also. That we'll do in a later detailed lecture. Okay, so then let's go to the next question. Try this question, all of you. Amisha, actually in the complete course we will be discussing topic by topic. All topics will be covered. In YouTube channel we already have given a lot of free classes earlier. So in the upcoming months we are planning for some free classes, but it will not be like a complete course. It will be like practice of few questions. So yeah, we are planning for initiators. We will update it. Stay tuned. Try this question, all of you. Okay, I'll explain this due to lack of time. This question was a super easy question. Before exam also I have told students to learn one logical trick. This is a situation, a particular situation where the selling prices of the two items are same, equal, and profit percent and loss percentage are equal. This is an ideal situation to use a short trick. In this flashcard I have given short tricks of this chapter compiled I have. So look at this. If selling price of two articles are same and they are sold at X% profit and X% loss, if the profit percent and loss percentage are equal, then only you can apply this. Then the direct formula is do X square by 100. That much will be the loss. It will always be loss in this situation if the profit percent and loss percentage is equal for selling price to be equal. For when selling price is equal. Matlab 20% profit, 20% loss. Yeah, literally the example I have given in this flashcard itself is this question. That was a coincidence. I didn't knew that they will ask this question. But this flashcard we have created 1 year back only. And the exam was 2 months back. So in this question paper, the data given or the question given was exactly the example I have given in this flashcard. Many of the questions was directly from the flashcard and some of the questions were indirectly from the flashcard. So this flashcards, happy to say that the flashcards I have created have helped a lot of students to do many questions directly itself. Okay, anyway, 20% profit and 20% loss. So 20 square by 100, 4% loss. इसका एक detailed solution भी है, that we will discuss later. Now, due to lack of time, this is enough. Now, some of you may be thinking why neither loss nor gain is correct. That is correct if instead of selling price are same, if it is cost prices are same. If it is cost prices same given, then option A would have been the answer. Cost price same and 20% profit, 20% gain means it is, look at this situation. When CP of two articles are same and they are sold at X% profit and X% loss, total no profit, no loss. That is different situation. Okay, due to lack of time, we will go to the next question. This one we discussed. Yeah, this one, and a very easy question. Some people say all questions were difficult in this paper. No, some of the questions were so silly. This question was a silly question or simple question. I always say every question paper will have minimum 7 questions which are very easy to solve. In less than 2 minutes you can solve it. Some questions even 1.5 minutes also. So try this, all of you. Okay, I'll start explaining due to lack of time. What would be the minimum number of notes for rupees 4849 if notes are available only in denominations of 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10, 20 rupee, 500? The total 4849 rupees चाहिए, only इसका combinations use कर सकता है. You can use any number of this. The minimum number के लिए maximum denomination maximum use करना है ना. Divisibility और remainder वाला idea है यहाँ. 4849 में 4500 is a multiple of 500. So 4500 तक ही 500 rupee note से complete कर सकता है. 5000 not possible because 4849 only below 5000 na. 4500 means 500 into 9. 9 500 rupee notes are needed. 9 500 rupee notes. Now no more 500 rupee notes. कितना rupee remaining है? Remainder कितना है? 4849 minus 4500, that is 349 rupee. 349, now you have to use the second largest denomination, 50. कितना 50 चलेगा 349 में? 300 तक ओके है. So 50 into 6, 300. Now remaining is 49. 49 बचा है. Now 20 rupee वाला नोट मैक्सिमम यूज करिए. 2 यूज कर सकता है, 40 हो गया. Now 9 rupee बचा है. 9 रुपये के लिए 5 रुपये वाला कितना यूज कर सकता है? 1. तो 5 रुपये. नाउ 4 रुपये बचा है. 4 रुपये के लिए कितना 2 रुपये यूज कर सकता है? 2. तो टोटल 4. So the total number of denominations all together is 9 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. 15, 17, 18, 20. All of you clear na? 15, 17, 18, 20. 20 is the answer. All clear? If there is any doubt, please ask. That was a straightforward question asked in this paper. So this was also a straightforward question, a repetition of previous year question. These kinds of questions we have discussed many a times, even in this YouTube channel in the Venn diagram chapter. You can check it. This YouTube channel itself, there are many playlists of CSIR-NET, GATE, civil service exam, etc. So suggest this channel to more and more people. Yeah, let me tell you frankly one thing. If you want more free classes through this platform, spread this platform to more and more people. If more and more people are interested, I will invest more time on the free classes. Currently, my schedule is very tight because I am a trainer not only for CSIR-NET, for GATE exam also we are giving courses, and for civil service exams also we are giving courses now. So currently my schedule is very tight, but still for YouTube classes I will invest more time if more people are interested. So tell your interest in your comments if you want more such sessions in the future, because definitely this is completely free initiative. Free initiatives, I also believe that free initiatives should continue as much possible, but other constraints, time is the biggest constraint. So time constraint we can break. One way is if more people are there, yeah, obviously if more people get to know about this course, more people will join for our course also in the future. So that way I will be able to invest more time here also. If more people are joining, I can actually assign more team members also for creating more videos through this platform also. So support this initiative if you feel this is useful. So that is one gentle request to you. So this is not as part of any big edtech platform. This is a gentle initiative by me. I was part of edtech platforms before, but now I am trying to build my own platform where we can help more people without any other restrictions. Here I will be able to decide how we can take classes, how we can give more free classes, etc. That is why that freedom I also want. That is why we are trying to now give more and more courses through this YouTube videos also and through our paid platform also. So those of you are interested, or those of you felt this free classes are useful, check out our paid courses. You will feel how much good those courses are, because we have done enough effort to make those courses the best courses available in any platform together. Because as I was also part of other platforms earlier, I exactly know how other platforms work, or other platform the courses are designed. So we have made sure that this course is far more superior than any other aptitude course for CSIR-NET available. Yeah, I'm not claiming for any exams, but for the CSIR-NET and GATE, the courses that we have launched, the resources we are providing as part of the course, compared to the price, that is the best course. That is what we believe. Again, you people can disagree to that also, but check out our content in our mobile app, then you will understand the quality of the course and suggest that to more people. That is one gentle request to all of you. Okay, this question I will explain now. So out of the 100 students who can speak at least one of English and Hindi, 41 can speak English. Set theory का basic idea है यहाँ पे. Venn diagram idea clear है तो you should know how to draw a Venn diagram. If you know that, this question is super easy. And then you can use the principle of inclusion and exclusion. This is called principle of inclusion and exclusion. Okay, so I will explain. So how to draw Venn diagram? Total 100 students. At least one language means English and Hindi. These are the two languages. At least one language means there are no person who speak zero language. That means outside English and Hindi circle, zero people are there. That means this 100 people all are inside this circle. Mathematically or in set theory, we call it as union of elements. Union of elements, this red region. Okay, anyway, so 41 students can speak English. 41. 21 can speak both English and Hindi. Both English and Hindi means in this intersection region. I will redraw the picture so that it is more clear. So 21 are in the intersection region. How many students can speak in Hindi? So here actually the easiest way is, as I told, this is 100. You can draw 100 as here. 100 will be the union of this. So union में 100 है. Principle of exclusion use किया तो बहुत ही easy है. ये 100 से या 41 कम किया तो that is called B minus A. B minus A. B minus A किया तो B only मिलेगा. Question finally क्या पूछ रहा है? How many students can speak Hindi पूछा है. 1 second. Okay, B minus E नहीं, B पूछा है. So B पूछा है तो दो ways are there. From 100, if you subtract 41, you can find this value. This value. 100 minus 41 will be 59. That is Hindi only speaking people. Hindi only speaking people is 59. But that is Hindi only speaking. Read the question very carefully. How many students can speak Hindi? मतलब उसमें ये 59 भी आएगा, ये 21 भी आएगा ना. Hindi only plus Hindi and English 21. So 59 plus 21, 80 is the final answer. 59 भी option में है to confuse you or trick you. I'll summarize this once again. I'll draw the picture little more clearly. ये देखिए, वो rectangle छोड़िए because at least one of the language everyone is speaking. So 100 is the union element. This union is 100. What is union and all? If you have doubt, we will be discussing that in detail in our complete course. So anyway, this is English and this is Hindi means इंग्लिश 21 मीन्स ये 100 से, सॉरी इंग्लिश 21 नहीं 41 है, तो 100 से ये 41 कम किया तो 59 will be Hindi only speaking people. B minus A, that is called. From B, from A union B, you are removing A, you will get B only, or B minus A we can say. तो ये 59 क्या है? हिंदी ओनली स्पीकिंग पीपल. लेकिन क्वेश्चन में दिया है 21 स्टूडेंट्स कैन स्पीक बोथ हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश, मतलब ये इंटरसेक्शन में 21 पीपल है. दिस पार्ट हिंदी में 59 भी है, ये 21 भी है, इसलिए 59 plus 21 80 is the answer. Very easy question. Otherwise, if you wanted to directly use this formula also, that is fine. But उसे भी fast कर सकता है if you use the logic of exclusion. So then this question, average chapter का question है, carefully try it, easy question. Okay, so I'll explain. In a class of 30 students, those with roll numbers 1 to 20 secure an average of 72% mark. Due to lack of time, I will just directly explain the concept. This batch average idea will directly help you. Batch average, I hope all of you know. Two batches combined average will be n1x1 plus n2x2 divided by n1 plus n2. So in this question says that 30 स्टूडेंट्स है, या यहाँ पे थोड़ा लॉजिक यूज किया तो कम टाइम में फिनिश कर सकता है क्वेश्चन. 30 स्टूडेंट्स है, इसको 1 to 20 एक सेट डिवाइड किया है, 11 to 30 एक सेट डिवाइड किया है, या लाइक प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन आई ड्रॉ 1 to 20 वाला सेट ये है, 11 to 30 वाला सेट ये है, तो इसमें एक कॉमन रीजन है ना 11 to 20 वाला, दोनों में आ रहा है ना. आर यू गेटिंग द आइडिया? 11 to 20, या यहाँ पे प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इंक्लूजन एक्सक्लूजन आइडिया यूज कर सकता है टू गेट द आंसर्स फास्टर. तो ये 1 to 20 का एवरेज मार्क 70 है, तो एवरेज इज सम इनटू नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन, नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन इनटू सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन. सॉरी, सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन इज एवरेज इनटू नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन. यहाँ पे 1 to 20 मींस 20 ऑब्जर्वेशन, सो सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन विल बी 20 into 72. 20 into 72. All of you are understanding 20 into 72 how? So 1440 will be the total value of all 20 roll number students together. क्योंकि 72 एवरेज मार्क है, so 20 people का एवरेज मार्क 72 है, तो 20 into 72 टोटल मार्क्स होना चाहिए ना. प्रैक्टिकली इफ यू थिंक ऑल्सो 11 to 30 how many people? 20 people itself. Their average is 75 means 20 into 75. 20 into 75 will be the total marks. So 1500 is the total mark. Now in a class of 30 students, okay, one more information is given. If the average marks of the entire class means 30, 1 to 30 tak, 1 to 30 tak 30 स्टूडेंट्स है, उसका एवरेज 70 है, तो 30 इंटू 70 2100 होगा उसका वैल्यू. अभी ये देखिए, ये दोनों सेट में ऐसे टोल्ड दिस इज द इंटरसेक्शन रीजन. दैट मींस इफ यू ऐड दीज टू, 11 to 20 is added 2 times. So from that addition of 1 to 20 to, look at this, 1 to 20 के साथ 11 to 30 ऐड किया तो you are getting 11 to 20 2 times. Now 1 to 30 इससे subtract किया तो 11 to 20 ही बचेगा ना, because 1 to 10 एक बार था, 10 to 20 to 30 एक बार था, लेकिन 11 to 20 दो बार आया. So 11 to 20 दो बार आया. So if you do this process, 1 to 20 plus 11 to 30 minus 1 to 30, that is same as the previous question. This principle of inclusion and exclusion, ये वेन डायग्राम चैप्टर में ही नहीं, ये सेट थियरी का बेसिक आइडिया है. n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. So you will get 1 to 20, 11 to 20 remaining. We need 11 to 20 marks now. So what I am trying to say is add these two values 1 to 20 and 11 to 30. देखिए इसमें भी 11 to 20 है, इसमें भी 11 to 20 है ना, तो 11 to 20 दो बार मिला. So add it up, you will get 2940. From that you subtract this 1 to 30, that is 2100 you subtract. What you will be getting 840. वो 840 क्या है? 11 to 20 का total marks है. Total marks is of 11 to 20 is 840. So average marks कितना होगा? 840 by 10. 11 to 20 10 observation ना. So 840 by 10 84. So option D is the answer. Super easy ना, if you know the right approach. Now इसका भी एक shortcut है. You don't have to actually multiply this. Alligation trick यूज किया तो ये इससे भी फास्टली कर सकता है, बट वो टीच करने के लिए ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा. दैट इज व्हाई वी विल डिस्कस इट इन द कंप्लीट कोर्स. So average का idea, basic idea was enough to do this question. Now we have to complete the session in 2-3 minutes. Show you one or two easy question also. So it will take some time to explain. Okay, try this average and ratio proportion related question. Carefully try it. It was a repetition of a previous year question, and that previous year it was not asked in mathematical science. That was asked in a previous another subject actually. Amisha, will discuss that on another class. Now due to lack of time, we'll discuss that on another class. Okay, I'll explain. Those of you need more time, you can pause the video and try it and continue the explanation. The son was born when the mother was 28 years old. Visual method या tabulate करना better होगा ये question understand करने के लिए. I am putting S for son, M for mother and F for father. So when the son was born when the mother was 28 years old. So mother was 28 years old. What will be the age of son? 0 years. When you are born, you are 0 years old, not 1 year old. Some people write 1 year. 1 year is when you celebrate your 1 year birthday. Na? When you are born, you are just 0 years old. After 1 day, you will be 1 day old, not 1 year, 1 day old. So now father is older to mother by 4 years means mother से भी 4 years ज़्यादा age है. So 28 plus 4, 32 होना चाहिए. The age at that time. This is at the same time period, time instant. When son was 0 years, mother was 28 years, father was 32 years. Now the question says that the current ages of father and mother are in the ratio 9:8. मतलब father का age 9x है तो mother का age 8x है. Algebraically इसको solve करने के लिए, okay, what is the current age of the sun means? Age of the sun will be, for example, if option A is the answer, let us see. Option A is the answer means current age of sun is 2. At that time, mother's age will be added by 2 because 0 plus 2 is 2. So mother का age भी 2 years add होगा ना. That means 2 years later, not only son's age, everyone's age will be added by 2. That is how time works ना. So 28 plus 2 30. ये फादर का एज 32 plus 2 34. ये 30 और 34 8x 9x रेशियो सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है नहीं चेक करना है. दैट इज 34 by 30. इज इट 9 by 8? नो, इट इज 17 by 15, not 9 by 8. ऐसा ईच ऑप्शन चेक करना. दैट इज अ बेस्ट वे. Otherwise you can take let this be y and then 28 plus y plus 32 plus y is equal to 8x by 9x. but what थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होगा स्पेशली नॉन मैथ बैकग्राउंड स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. मैथ बैकग्राउंड स्टूडेंट्स इफ यू वांट यू कैन डू दैट वे आल्सो, बट एलिमिनेशन इटसेल्फ इज फाइन. तो ऑप्शन बी 3 है तो क्या होगा? 28 plus 3 32 plus 3 31 and 35. so is 35 by 31 equal to 9 by 8? 31 is a prime number, so you cannot cancel anymore, so this is not equal to 9 by 8 for sure. Option C 4 है तो 4 years later 28 will become 32, 32 will become 36, 32 and 36. 32 by 36 क्या होगा? 8 by 9 होगा. Exactly 9:8 ratio. Father to mother is 9:8. So mother to father is 8:9. So option C satisfies it. Easy question in my opinion. This is also an easy question, but I have to explain about standard deviation in detail. Those of you are not very clear about standard deviation, if I just briefly explain, you will get confused. So in our complete course, there is a separate lecture on this. That time we will discuss about it. And this is another probability question. Probability का 2 question था या same question paper पे. Try it all of you. Okay, due to lack of time, I'll start explaining. An experiment consists of tossing 4 fair coins independently. 4 fair coins toss किया तो फर्स्ट coin का रिजल्ट हेड या टेल, सेकंड का हेड या टेल, थर्ड का हेड या टेल, फोर्थ का हेड या टेल. मतलब 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 30 16 outcomes are possible. 2 outcomes here, 2 outcomes here, 2 outcomes here, 2 outcomes here. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 total 16 outcomes. प्रोबेबिलिटी का बेसिक डेफिनेशन क्या है? रिक्वायर्ड आउटकम बाय टोटल आउटकम. टोटल आउटकम ये क्वेश्चन में 16 है. दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड. टोटल आउटकम क्यों 16 है? अभी रिक्वायर्ड आउटकम क्या है या फेवरेबल आउटकम क्या है? क्वेश्चन में लिखा है फेवरेबल आउटकम इज आउटकम ऑफ एन एक्सपेरिमेंट कंसिडर फेवरेबल इफ द नंबर ऑफ हेड्स इज ग्रेटर देन नंबर ऑफ टेल्स. 4 बार टॉस किया तो हेड का काउंट टेल से ज्यादा, मतलब 4 हेड 0 टेल ये ओके है, 3 हेड 1 टेल ये ओके है. सिर्फ ये दोनों ही ओके है बिकॉज 2 हेड 2 टेल ओके नहीं है, 1 हेड 3 टेल ओके नहीं है, 0 हेड 5 टेल ओके, 4 टेल ओके नहीं है. दीज आर द 5 आउटकम्स. लेकिन हमारा फेवरेबल आउटकम्स सिर्फ ये दो है, ये दो आउटकम्स है. ऑल ऑफ यू आर क्लियर? नाउ ये 4 हेड मिलने का एक ही चांस है, ऑल 4 ऑफ देम बीइंग हेड, ऑल 4 ऑफ देम बीइंग हेड. नाउ 3 हेड और 1 टेल मतलब 4 में से 3 टेल, 4 में से 3 हेड मींस from 4 things you have to select 3 things. Combination wala theory we discussed it in permutation combination chapter. From 4 things 3 things to be selected. 4C3, 4C3 is 4. That means 4 head का एक possibility, 3 head 1 tail का 4 possibility. So 1 plus 4 total 5 favorable outcomes are there. Favorable outcome by total outcome, so 5 by 16. Now those of you don't know 4C3, this question without 4C3 also you can do. You can list it out. 3 हेड मिलने का चांसेस 4 है क्योंकि 3 हेड मींस बाकी एक टेल है. बाकी वो टेल लास्ट में आ सकता है, सेकंड लास्ट आ सकता है, सेकंड आ सकता है, फर्स्ट आ सकता है. दीज आर द 4 आउटकम्स. ऐसा लिस्ट करके भी कर सकता है इफ यू आर नॉट क्लियर अबाउट कॉम्बिनेशन. या क्लियर अबाउट कॉम्बिनेशन 4C3 या 4C1 काफी है. So anyway, that is 4 outcomes. This is 1 outcome. 1 plus 4, 5 outcomes. 5 by 16. If the theory of probability is clear, this question was super easy question. If it is not clear, it was a time consuming or tricky question. So as I have told, all questions of this question paper, almost all questions of this question paper were directly from our previous complete course. So those of you who want to be part of our complete course, once again, be part of the complete course today or tomorrow itself, so that you can access the class from the first day itself, live itself, and also you can get the minimum price of our course. 1499 is the price for the course now if you are using the code teacher25, which is applicable only for 2 more days. So, and demo videos are also given in the mobile app Christy's classes. Download the mobile app from Christy's classes mobile app from Play Store, or visit our website christysclasses.in. Through that also you can check out our demo videos. And this is the complete schedule of the course. Once again reminding, this is the first batch of CSIR-NET complete course we are starting. This is the batch where we will be completing way before CSIR-NET exam. Other batches will be starting in the upcoming months like crash course and all, but that will be either shorter courses or that course will take more time to complete. That is why join for this course so that you don't you can relax in a relaxed way. You can complete all topics, and general aptitude will help you to clear net exam easily. In my opinion, general aptitude is the rank booster section. ये सेक्शन से कुछ मार्क कम टाइम में मिला तो आपका रैंक इंप्रूव हो जाएगा. इफ यू आर ऑलरेडी क्लियरिंग नेट एग्जाम ऑल्सो, जस्ट बाय एडिंग 10 मार्क्स यू कैन गो टू द टॉप 10 रैंक्स और टॉप 100 रैंक्स. और इफ यू आर इन द बॉर्डर लाइन से नेट एग्जाम या एलएस कट ऑफ से 1 मार्क कम या 2 मार्क कम, just one question from aptitude will change the game now. So it's a game changer. So if you want to score maximum marks in minimum time, without coaching also you can solve general aptitude question, but in coaching you will be learning the best approaches. We have devised 15 shortcut methods for doing general aptitude questions. वो shortcut methods use करके I will be teaching you. By that you can do minimum time maximum question. That is the speciality of this course. These are the 15 shortcut methods we will be discussing in each class. और ये shortcut methods का discussion के लिए ही there are separate lectures in this course. So all of you are welcome to be part of our complete course. And if you have any queries or any doubts, you can check out our You can call us at this number 8075116641. More details are given here. So now with this course, minimum price, mock test and video solution freely we are providing with this course. So all these offer, make use of it and be part of it, and let your friends know about this course so that they can also join for this course. 66 live lectures, recordings of almost 100 hours and free online study materials are part of this course. And the questions we have discussed today, iska more detailed explanation topic by topic you will get. After the theory is taught, we will be teaching the previous year questions for each topic so that your concept understanding is proper. So not only June 2024, December 2012 से 2024 तक 13 years का question paper का discussion होगा ये course में, so that you get complete practice of CSIR-NET General Aptitude section. So any doubts regarding this course also let me know. Check the description of the video for more information. And if you felt this YouTube video was useful, please hit the like button. That is a bare minimum you can do. And if possible, please share it among all your Telegram, WhatsApp groups or your friends who want to access. हमेशा यह course English और Hindi mix होगा, just like I am teaching in this YouTube video. In this YouTube video कितना English और Hindi use किया उतना ही use करेगा in our complete course also. But there the advantage is you are accessing it in live session, so you can, in case you are not understanding something I am telling, live itself you can ask, can you repeat it again in Hindi or can you repeat it again in English? So that will be possible. In YouTube that much time we don't have, that is the problem. But in complete course there is 100 hours for completing the entire course. So proper routine will be maintained. That is another thing. Yeah, you can learn general aptitude in different ways. Self study possible है, book use करके possible है, YouTube से possible है. But ऐसा एक proper complete structured course attend किया तो फायदा ये है that routine itself will help you to learn better. The problem is sometimes motivation is lacking, na? You don't have motivation to sit for learning general aptitude. यहाँ पे motivation automatically आएगा because every day the schedule is made and every day you will be notified the class is starting in 10 minutes and that itself will motivate you to attend the class now, because you, like, when there is a live class, there is a teacher on the other end waiting for you to join and attend the class. That itself will help you to be motivated and be structured. Otherwise you may set a timetable, but after 1 or 2 days the timetable is disturbed. But here the course schedule is already made. How the 60 lectures, when we will be taking, all things are already made. The schedule is already made. So that will help a lot in learning general aptitude in minimum time. So that's it. Those of you want to join the course, check out the description of the video and download our mobile application Christy's Classes and visit our website christysclasses.in for more information. So thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Tomorrow we will meet for the next lecture. Life sciences we will be discussing tomorrow. Uske baad chemical sciences, physical sciences, earth sciences, Sara papers we will be discussing. So thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Have a good day. See you all on the next class. Bye bye.